So this is going to be our movement for the day on our GBPJPY. You know, I told you guys that what markets has rejected from this level here, and markets have now come back to retest this level. Our next movement on GBPJPY would be a bullish move. Why are we going to be expecting that movement? What we are going to be explaining right now. So if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also stay updated by following the Telegram. You'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's zoom out on our forward time frame. And the first thing we would ask ourselves is that what is the trend? And as you can clearly see on our GBPJPY, we are in an uptrend. It is very clear that market is trending to the upside. Strong bullish move, right? To the upside. Now, take a look at it here also. So markets, let's start from here for quick analysis. Let's say market was able to push out to form our high. Then this is an higher low. Market then was able to push out to form a new higher high. And here comes the higher low, right? Market then push up one more time to form a new higher high, and then this is a pullback. Market was able to reject from the zone multiple times, right? Then market then push up one more time again to form a new high, and here comes the higher low. Market then push up again to form a new high to come to retest this level right here. Market was able to retest this level, and then markets drop back to that our support level right here. Now our next movement is that markets must come up to retest this level again, which is a level of 214. So in the long run, if you are not yet in the buy, going for the buy and hold your buy, because in the long run, GBPJPY will push up to tap a level of 214. More updates will be covered on this, so all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments.